In today's video, I am going to share with you an AI platform for those people who are looking for online jobs. I am going to share with you an AI platform that you can look for jobs, the platforms that you can actually look for job opportunities. So if you know that you are that person that always wants to work online, you have these qualifications that these AI platforms are looking for, then this video is for you. Please watch this video to an end, because in this video I'm going to share with you an AI platform that has job opportunities, and if you have the qualifications that I'm going to look into, that I'm going to share with you, you can try and apply for those jobs. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, because I'm going to take you through that platform. We are going to check, the first thing we are going to check the job opportunities that this platform has. We are also going to check for the experiences that are needed, and also we are going to check the country eligibility. And another thing, we are also going to check for, how you can actually get this job. So those are the kind of things that we are going to look into it. So stay tuned and keep watching. So this AI platform is called OneForma. OneForma is an AI platform. So this is an open project and and opportunities. Explore flexible projects and find work that fits your expertise. So they have 25 projects open now. They only have 25 projects that are open. So, 12 million plus paid out per month. So they have workers that they are paying like this amount, like combined per month. This is the amount that they are paying for those people who are working, you see. So, this is where you can search to find the project. They have domain, project type, country. So the first thing that we are going to check, we are going to look into the domain. Let us look into the domain. All domain, ML training, culture, data collection, languages, and medicine. These are the domains that they have. Let's check on the project type. They have annotation, data collection, judging, LLM prompt authoring, transcription, and translation. So these are the project types that they have. And let us check the country eligibility, because before you apply for the work, you must know that if this work is available in your country or where you reside. So let us check on the country. All countries, they have Australia, Austria. So in this list, you're going to check if your country is in this list. If your country is not in this list, then you will know that maybe your country is not eligible. But they have said all countries, of which means that the countries around the world. So for my Kenyan people, I have confirmed for you it is available in Kenya, you see. So you will come and click on the country and you will check everywhere, you see. So these are the countries that are available. So Vietnam, Uzbekistan, United States, United Kingdom, United Emirates, Ukraine, Turkey, Thailand, Taiwan, Switzerland, Sweden, Spain, Korea, South Africa, Slovenia, Slovakia, Singapore, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Romania, remote, Portugal, Poland, Palestine, Norway, New Zealand, Netherlands, Morocco, Mexico, Malaysia, Lebanon, Kenya, Jordan, Japan, Italy, Israel, Ireland, Indonesia, India, Hong Kong, Greece, Germany, France, Finland, Egypt, Denmark, and all these ones that you see here. So if you don't see your country in this list, just know that your country is not, this job is not available in your country. And let us check the languages. They have all these languages. These are the languages. These are the languages that are here. Yeah. So pay type. I told you that I'm going to show you everything before we continue. So any pay type per hour, per completion, per approved test. You see? So what we are going to check next is now the projects, because they say that they have 25 projects that are opened now. So let us see these projects. So Kenya opportunities are shown first. All projects remain visible. So data collection at home, smartphone video recorder. So record 4 short indoor and outdoor videos on supported phone. So this one is you record your video and you do what you upload. So this is a fixed rate upon completion. So if you want to apply for this kind of job, you just click on apply. After clicking on apply, and you're going to see everything here. So after clicking on apply, you are going to see everything here about that job. So let us see how it goes. About this project, it is paid video research study using your own phone. You record a handful of short selfie style videos at home by following simple step-by-step instructions. The whole task takes under 10 minutes. Open to adults. It is open to adults 18 years plus recording themselves, and to children aged 5 to 17 recorded at home with a parent or guardian present. So if a child under the age of 18, let's say it's 5 years to 17 years, if they want to record the video, they must be under the supervision of the guardian or the parent. So no prior experience required for this one. Why this work matters: your video support technology research, helping technology better understanding real people, real faces, and everyday environment across different ages and settings. So you see what you will record. You must also know what you're going to record. 2 videos indoors, natural everyday settings. 2 videos outdoors, regular environment around you. So you must follow all these order. Each clip is about 15 seconds long. You'll receive clear guided instructions before you start. So recording for a child. If you're recording for a child, children aged 5 years to 17 can take part too, but a parent or guardian sets up the recordings. You as a parent, you must set up a recording for your child. Stays present throughout and provide consent before the child participates. So if your child has ability to do this, make sure that you are present. Make sure that you take part all through, like you are present all through for the child to provide the child the consent before the child participates. So the steps are exactly the same. You simply record your child instead of yourself, following the same simple guide. But this one I would advise parents to do it by yourself, because I don't advise parents to expose their children recording themselves online. You see, as for me, I wouldn't allow this for my children, even though if they are talented, but I will just do it by myself. Yes. So compensation. Rewards vary by country and are paid per approved task completion. Payment timing after your submission is reviewed and approved. So you are going to be paid only after your submission is reviewed and approved. So reward amount set per country shown in the drop down below. So compensation by location, how it works: apply, confirm your eligibility through the form below, complete the survey, share the required participant details, get your instructions to receive a clear recording guidance, record the videos, capture 2 windows, whatever, submit the uploaded videos for review, get paid. Your reward is issued once your submission is approved. So that is how it goes. So you are eligible if you are live, you live in one of the eligible countries. Check the drop down. Have supported smartphone, are recording as adult, have parent or guardian that is underage, are comfortable recording short selfies. So you must know all these, and you must know everything about this. So if you are interested in this, you just click on apply and you apply it. They haven't put here, the amount, because they have told you that you are going your payment is going to be reviewed, is going to be, like, they are going to decide your payment after they have reviewed your work. So that is why they haven't said anything about the payment. So these are the jobs, the real world video recorder. So you can just come here, look at these ones, and check on every job, and you can click on apply, and you see the requirements, how the job is done, what is needed in order for you to apply the jobs. So this is what you can actually do. You can try it if you have all these qualifications, the requirements, the supported devices. You can also try your own. So guys, just make sure that before you do anything, make sure that you do your research. Do research. By doing research, you will be reading everything. You know how it works, what it needs, everything that I have explained for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and God bless you.